Gardenia Goods. Hey guys, it's Jem. So today is a Monday. It's already 9:28 p.m. It's March 10 din pala. So for today's vlog, mag-unbox tayo ng tada! Collectibles blind box. This is from Nomi. Ayan, if you know this one, hindi talaga ako nagko-collect ng mga ganito, but a friend just gave me this one, and why not, diba? I'm filming also a TikTok video, and nandito siya, so, paano ba ito buksan? Ayan, meron siya dito. Hello! Ano kayo makukuha? Buksan. Dito pala mag-post ng vlog. Gusto kong makuha dito is yung brown, ito yung brown and white, pero lahat kasi sila cute, so kahit ano na lang. Hindi ko pa siya nakikita. Ayun siya. Walang cute. It's color pink. I have the pink one. The pink one with a brown ears, and yung mata pala nito is yung naiikot. So, you can roll it like that. Ayan o. Ang cute. We have Juju here. If you want to try this blind box also, I will be linking it under the description box below. Print na ako ng mga photos for my photo album. I printed, I think, mga lagpas din ata sa 10 pieces to. Ayan, ganyan siya kakapal. Here's the picture. Ayan, ang ganda naman, maganda naman yung quality niya. I'm using our Epson L3210 ata to. To cut these pictures pala, I've bought cutting, ano ba tawag dito? A4 paper cutter manual. And ito siya. Yeah! I'm excited to use this kasi mas mapapabilis yung paggawa ko nito. So, let's do an ASMR of this habang ginagawa ko to. Di pantay. Yung mga photo cards ko, ayan. Dito siya sa likod. I have here my ideas starting from grade 4. Ayan. Ayan, kompleto yan, guys. Natago ko lahat ng ID ko. Ayan, and my friends' photos and all. So, ilalagay ko lang siya dito. Dito tayo sa photo album for family. Included here also are photos from Instax. Hey guys, it's Jen. So today is March 28. It's a Friday. It's already 1 p.m. and right now nag-aayos ako because I will be attending an event for Vlogapalooza, which is their birthday bash for March celebrate. So now mag-aayos muna ako and then we're gonna go. Mga 2:30 kami aalis. And I will be with my sister. Sasamahan niya lang ako papunta doon. And, ayun, I'll update you guys later. Ayun, papakita ko na sa inyo mamaya yung suot ko. But for now, eto. So hot today. Theme pala ng event na pupuntahan ko is Summer Madness. So, we need to wear colorful outfits. Kaya, ayun, hirap ako maghanap ng outfit.
Ganyan na cross, yes. Today, ayan, may t-shirt siya kasi he's a drag queen. By the way, kung hindi ka ng first store, kumala.
Ayan, so baka hindi the March babies here. My wish for all of us is for fame, fortune, success, prosperity, financial wealth, and everything.
Blaming.
Just got home. Let's see what we got. Ta-da! Jollibee! We got burger steak. We got 1, 2, 3, 4 paper bags of Gardenia goods. Gonna show you what's inside the paper bag one by one. First bag at nilagay ko lang dito. Tada! A bottle of Fundador. Coffee Smile by Gardenia. This is their mocha latte. Ito yung cafe latte nila. Tada! Ang cute ng color. Oh, mi goreng. Meron na. We also have this new by Gardenia. Mi goreng. Happy Me. Ayan. Wala, pipina siya. Sinuntok. And we have Black Forest loaf. Ay, iba-iba lang. Ang cute. High fiber with cranberry loaf. Oh, cranberry. And also, especially, the classic one. That's for paper bag number 1. Ooh, ito madami. We have cream roll. 2% cream. Then we also have this one, chocolate cream-filled roll. We also have muffin. Ay! May muffin na pala ang Gardenia. Muffin, blueberry, chocolate, and fun bun, ube filling. Ito is choco filling, banana choco na muffin. Ay, chip. Brie. Anong basa dito? Kayo na bahala. Bun. Basta bun. Butter toast. Sala, may butter toast. Pandesal. May pandesal na buka. Ay, ito yung gusto ko. Cheese buns. That's for paper bag number 2. For paper bag number 3, same lang siya ng paper bag number 1. And, ayun, same lang siya. With Coffee Smile, yung migraine, and yung loaf. Now, we go to paper bag number 4. Ta-da! 2 and 3. We have boxes of cream roll. Ito is chocolate filled. One is cookies and cream. Butter sugar. So that's it guys for this video. I hope you enjoyed. And thank you to our Vlogga fam for this fun experience and nakapag-celebrate din yung mga March celebrants na part ng Vloggapalooza. So thank you again for our Vlogga fam and also to the admins na nakasama namin doon sa birthday bash. So thank you for our sponsors for this event. We have Jollibee, Red Ribbon, Gardenia, Fundador. Such a fun experience for my first first official event as a creator talaga. So that's all for this video guys. Thank you for watching and see you on my next one. Bye!
Killing time, you and I, hours, minutes, days and nights,